Hi everyone, hope you are doing well. So today I have this Panasonic Walkman. So this is the RQ SX56. As you can see, a Dolby B noise reduction stereo cassette player with remote control. It has this turning thing and these cool lights when it turns on. And apparently that tells you that's the battery status bar. So right now we are sitting at half full or half empty. Very slim. It takes a gum stick battery, of course, and I'm not sure if there's an attachment for this one, and of course there's the place it screws in, and those are the battery contacts. So I suspect this one just needs a belt, and so let's get into it. And there it goes. Okay, so this one has suffered some kind of water damage or something. There's a little bit of drops in here, if you can see that. Not sure what that is. And now, as you can see, the motor does turn, but this wheel does not. So it's the belt. So basically we're gonna need to desolder these terminals, and I suspect these two, maybe this one, yeah, this one also. There we go. So we need to take this circlip out. Okay, finally. Alright, so that basically needed just a little bit of force, which I was hesitating to apply. So that's an axial flex motor. Okay, let's find the belts for this one. Yeah, so basically I didn't pay attention to this earlier, but there is some kind of liquid, as you can see, some kind of bluish liquid on the inside of this Walkman. Do not know how it got there, but here it is. And I think that it's just the fact that it's something that's non-corrosive. It's the only reason that this Walkman was working. Okay, it appears this Walkman is really not made to be used when it's not screwed together. So let's try this tape that's less worn out. All right. So yeah, basically it sounds horrible, to be honest, but what can you do? So hope you enjoyed, and if you find this useful, you can leave a like. It always helps. Otherwise, you can subscribe. And until next time, this was the Electron Age. Bye.